Hello again, Michael Fish back with your weekly forecast on netweather.tv. Now, I've just been watching pictures of the devastation being caused in the Carolinas in America by Florence and thinking just how lucky we are in this country as we don't get hurricanes, despite what you might have thought in 1987. We get the remains of hurricanes, and indeed we're going to do on Tuesday as the remains of Helene move up across Ireland and into Scotland. There's another one, a super typhoon, a category 5 plus at the moment around the Philippines. That'll head towards Hong Kong in a few days' time. That's got gusts of 175 knots. You really can't comprehend it, really. Here, though, things are a bit quieter at the moment. We have high pressure to the south of us and a ridge across the United Kingdom. The low is developing, though, to the west of us, and that's going to be tracking northeastwards as a deepening feature of 990 millibars to cross Scotland on Sunday and giving gales as the high slips away eastwards. The ridge then builds back on Monday, but not for long, as Helene also tracks across Ireland and Scotland on Tuesday with further gales and heavy rain. The high by then having slipped away into Eastern Europe. That low then moves up towards Iceland, whilst another one swings in and dumbbells north of the United Kingdom, giving some further gales in the north. And then on Wednesday, a front crosses the United Kingdom, warm front probably, followed by a building high on Friday and into next weekend. So the temperature field, well, it's looking quite normal at the moment. It's sort of rather warm with orange shading in the south, a bit cooler with green in the north. On Sunday, the warmer air will move northwards as ex-hurricane pushes some warm red air up from the southwest. That'll be happening later on Monday and into Tuesday. Then it's back to the status quo around the middle of the week before another thrust of warm air behind a front on Saturday. That's next Saturday, not the Saturday that's tomorrow. So tomorrow's Saturday, it looks like a bright start, chilly start too. A few showers in the northwest and increasing cloud followed by wind and rain, crossing Northern Ireland and Western Scotland in the evening. 14 for the temperatures in the north, but up to 20 in the south. On Sunday, the rain band will be moving southeastwards across northern England and into North Wales as well as the rest of Scotland, before eventually dying out. There'll be sunny spells in the southeast and later some in northern Scotland as the winds ease. So 13 to 17 for Scotland and Northern Ireland, but up to 24 in the southeast of England. On Monday, a rather cloudy start, some rain into Northern Ireland and Western Scotland by dawn, and then spreading east during the day. Ex-hurricane will be reaching southern parts of Ireland in the evening, and that'll bring with it gales or even severe gales and heavy rain. Central pressure at that time about 982 millibars. Skies though should clear over England and Wales. 14 to 18 for the north and west, up to 24 in the southeast. Then on Tuesday, that low will continue to track northeastwards across Ireland and into Scotland, continuing to give gales and heavy rain. England and Wales, for the most part, stay dry, although becoming quite windy. The cloud will break too, I think, in these areas, but giving some sunshine. And the winds will ease later in the day. 14 to 17 for much of the country, but as high as 24 in the southeast and East Anglia. On Wednesday, further wind and rain is going to arrive in the early hours across Ireland and then Scotland. Sunny in the southeast. And that rain band then sticks probably over Ireland and southern Scotland before being reinforced later as some further rain spreads in to the rest of Scotland and Northern Ireland. At the same time as that's reinvigorating, a few showers, thundery showers, will move north into the southern parts of England. 14 to 17 for the north and west, up to 26 in the south and east, so that's pretty warm for the time of year. Across into France, though, it could well get to 33. Then on Thursday, the rain band will move southeastwards again across northern England, Wales and southwest England, and those thundery showers will persist over the eastern parts of England and East Anglia. Sunny though in Northern Ireland and Western Scotland. The rain dies out eventually, but the showers will persist, some of them heavy over East Anglia and the southeast. Most of the United Kingdom, 13 or 14 degrees, but as much as 25 in southeastern parts of England. On Friday, some early rain in the southeast, otherwise a sunny start, but further rain for western Scotland and Northern Ireland. Sunny spells developing elsewhere, but cooler at 14 to 17. Then for next weekend, for Saturday, some showers of rain around for Northern Ireland and Lake District, otherwise sunny and also mostly dry, 17 to 21. And then on Sunday, it gets the start of what should be a quite nice warm spell. Sunday should be dry with sunny spells, 15 or 17 in the northwest, but the rest of the United Kingdom up to 25. So there we are. As I said at the beginning, we must really think how lucky we are. Spare a thought for the people of Carolinas, and spare a thought too for people in the Philippines and later on into parts of China. So then I'll be back this time next week, by which time hopefully things will have quieted down. So in the meantime, have a lovely weekend and goodbye for now.